Hey, to create shortcut on desktop on the Windows 11, first of all, you will have to click with the right mouse button on your empty space on the desktop, then select new and select shortcut. Now we can select the type of the item. So we have to click on the browse and select wherever you want. For example, let's go into this PC. Let's select, for example, the program files, and I want to get this in-game folder on my screen. So I have to select it like this, then click next. I can set the name for this shortcut and click finish. And it appears just right here, and I can quickly open it. That's the working shortcut on my desktop. But if I want to get something else, for example, I want to get this PC icon. So I have to go for the start, search for this PC, click with the right mouse button, tap on the open file location, then click on this PC one more time with the right mouse button and tap to copy as a path. Now I have to click with the right mouse button on my desktop, select shortcut, and then with the right mouse button I have to click paste, click next, finish, and now I can find second shortcut of my PC on this desktop. If I want to manually drag this PC, as you can see, I cannot do this. So the only way to do this by selecting path and creating shortcut. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.